Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Wednesday, April 22nd. What we see is what I call an equal and opposite. This is a neutral position as we go into Wednesday's action. Asia just opening up a little stronger, not really showing us too much. The market is holding its breath. It's waiting to see what happens with the Iranian situation. Will there be a ceasefire? Is it going to be extended? What are the consequences? And that's what we're seeing here. It's a neutral position. And what's interesting, not only do we see it here in the Russell, we see it in some of the other indices as well, as we talked about in the advanced video, but check out the US dollar, the British pound. Sideways move is what we're looking for. It's a market that wants to go higher, but you can see here on Tuesday it sold off a bit. They're still buying the break. The bias is for a move higher, but this implies a neutral position going into Wednesday. Isn't that interesting? Bonds, bonds are in the same boat. Yields increased, prices decreased, and that means it's bearish here for the bonds, but look for an inside day. And it's also not favorable for our friend here, gold. You can see as that yield went up on bonds, gold went down. That is not an unusual relationship. Asia, it's that neutral position. Look for an inside day in that market. And when we think about crude, it's also holding its breath. That's what we're seeing. What should it do? Up, down, sideways? Right now, sideways. It's a neutral position. Dollar difference here. That sell down to that buy level is $1,570 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day until we get some clarity, if we're going to get some. Corn, also, we're seeing buyers coming in to that market. The issue is follow through. Does it have a reason to do that? And right now, I think a neutral position. I'm looking for a sideways move. The bias is for a move to the upside. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.